Hey guys, I went car shopping today and I didn't find any car. I'm in my bed. Tomorrow I'm gonna get up and go back on the road. I went to BMW today and the cars are so expensive, guys. I wanted an X6, but it's like $70,000. I'm like, damn. So I'm like, no, that's way out of my budget. My car got flooded on the 1st of September in the backyard. That storm that we have, that terrible storm. So my car was flooded. So I went to Acura. After I left BMW, I went to Acura today. I should have video, but I didn't make any video. And then when I go to Acura, I'm like, no, I don't like these cars. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to Audi or Benz. I'm gonna choose either Audi or Benz tomorrow because I really need a car. I have to ask my daughter to carry me everywhere and my husband, and I think they're getting annoyed. So I'm gonna try get a car tomorrow. I like nice things. I really do, you know. So I'm gonna get myself a car tomorrow and hopefully I find something, because even though I don't go much, I didn't plan to get a car right now because I have a nice Acura car. I really did have a RDX and I love small car. I don't love big cars. And yeah, it was really nice. It drive really nice. But when the cars that they have now, I don't like car, like little cars. I like something like RAV4 size. But these big old MDX Acura, I don't like those. They're too big. So I didn't take anything from Acura. So let's see. Wish me luck. Obi's taking a shower. Catch y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, so I'm at Audi and I want to get a new car, but I'm not sure what to get yet. My hope was to get a Audi, but I'm changing my mind. So, yep. Let's see. Let's see what I pull out here with tonight. Yep, this car looks stunning. The X6 was my favorite to get an X6. But damn it, they're so expensive. They're so expensive. When I went to BMW to get the X6, it's a lot of money. I'm like, damn, I can't afford this. So I decided to go with something a little cheaper. But the X6 is really something that I wanted to get. But then when I went there, the X7, it changed my mind. I love the X7 more. So I just said, damn, this is confusing. So I am going to get an Audi because I actually love Audi as well. So, or maybe a Benz. It depends. Let's see what I get. But I'm at Audi right now. Okay, so this is my new ride, guys. This is my new ride. Yes, that's my new ride. That's my new ride. That's my new ride. This is a sports car, man. Damn it. I need. Really should have get something. Bless up. I said a little old boy. I go like you young, you see, man. Watch him, watch him. Watch him. PH Omlinge. Talk Jamaican for them.
Burn less up.
Talk Jamaican for
Burn
them.
less up. You be talking, you know.
Talk Jamaican for them. Talk Jamaican for them.
Less up.
You are the best. So I go on. A real Jamaican, this, you know. A real Jamaican or a wannabe Jamaican. I'm ready for the road, guys. Yes, the end of me wanna lane, and I'm a wanna lane, so nobody don't stop me. So this was my car that got flooded, my Acura RDX. I love small car. My baby gone. It flood out.
You have a little bit soap for me?
You want soap?
Soap.
Soap?
See?
Screw off the pipe. You want to wash your hands?
Yeah.
Let me go get soap. Oh, but I need to take off my license plate. Shit. To do car shop. Acura. Acura me want again. Love Acura. This is my car me I go get next. This is my car me I go get next. This is my car me I go get next. Oop, burp. Burp, burp. This is my car. Me I go get next. Burp, burp. It's time to do car shop. Car shopping time now. I love Acura. Here is my car, guys. 1 month later. After I buy it, this is 1 month later. So this is my car. This is the inside. I mean, I treat it very nasty, but it wants to clean now. I haven't cleaned it since I got it. But I'm on the road, so I said, let me just give you a quick. I'm just gonna upload this video because I got my car about a month ago. Over a month ago. Yeah, over a month ago. Because the flood was in September and I got the car in September, late September. So and now is November. So it's over a month ago I have the car. So there it is. Mercedes.